What's up everybody, ModernMilt here, 2021, and in the first video of the year, I want to be doing a comparison between BAD Workpants, brand new pair, versus a pair that I've been wearing for the last year. So, let's get started. Alrighty, so straight out of the packaging, nice fresh pair of pants. As you can tell, normal tags, all the information on the string here. You also get a BAD vinyl decal with every purchase of the pants. Now the inside of the pants, I got the BAD logo on the inside pocket, double lined on the bottom to help protect with what you have in your pocket so it doesn't cut a hole easily through it. Another thing about these pants is their carpenter's pocket here for your knife, pencils, cell phone holder, enough room there for that. On the other side we got another pocket here for anything else you want, tools, Velcro. Velcro's nice and solid. All in all, there's about 12 pockets in these pants. And also too is you have the Cordura durable knee pads and lined pockets as well for extra durability. And again, the triple needle stitch helps prevent the seams from splitting on you. And now we'll get the two pairs of pants together, the pair that I've been wearing for almost a year and the brand new pair, and we'll compare the wear from the old to the new. So I got the two pairs of pants side by side. As you can tell, this is my old pair and this is the new pair. You can tell that these pants have been through some work, that's for sure. Now, right off the start here, we're gonna go take a look at the top seam here. No unusual wearing. As you can see, new pants. You'll never see any wear here. Now over the year I've gained some weight. Christmas didn't help, so the button started to tear, but that's not their fault, it's partially my own. That's one wear point, is the button. Next up, we're gonna go down the sides here. So as you can tell, the pockets on the left side, that's the side I don't hang a tape measure off of. Just very minor wear on the edge of the pocket seam here. Now we go to the other side. Now, I've been hanging tape measures off my pockets for a while, just a habit that I have a hard time getting out of, but as you can tell, that these pants have actually held up quite well with hanging the tape measure off them. Some work pants, you hang tape measure off there for a few weeks and you got a huge hole in the bottom of your pocket here. All right, let's start off with the carpenter's pocket here. We'll flip them side by side. I'll try and get a comparison. This pocket, over time, it does stretch, but that's good because it's easier to put your tools into. Velcro still holds up strong, no issues with the Velcro. Now this is my knife pocket as well, so over the years I like to put my knife in, but I don't tighten the dial on there. So over time, the blade will stick out a bit and slowly cut away the stitching on the bottom of the pocket, as you can tell the new ones here. So I got a hole through these ones, and that just recently happened within the week, which is not bad considering a full year, and it just ripped through near the end here now. That's the benefit of having the double stitching on these pockets here and the durability. Now, if I can get this open, we'll go inside the pocket, check out the wear. Almost no wear there compared to the new. Some stains. Now the seams, as we go down the seams, that's the pocket. We got the knees here. No wear on the knees. You can also buy knee pads that slip in through here and all the way down to the bottom. This side cuffling, still here, still stretchy. And on this pair as well, knees, new to old. There is some color fading, but that's typical with any clothing. And the elastic's still good. Now we'll flip her over to the other side. All right, we flipped them over here to the other side. This is the bigger pocket. Now we got one pocket in here on both sides. The flips, Velcro's still strong. No issues with Velcro. All the stitching on the old's all good on this side. I like to put my wrenches or whatever I'm using during that day into here. My phone sometimes goes in this pocket, which is good. It's off your knee so you don't crush your phone. It's on the side of your hip. And looks nice and fresh. Still holds up pretty good. All the stitching is all good. Knees, still good. No tears. I got down here, the elastic band has given way on this, and this was my own fault again. I got it caught in something and I moved out of the way, it tugged, and it just snapped the threading that holds the elastic together, but it's still there, not torn, and this is what the other side looks like. And compare the two. All right, next thing is the pockets on the back. All right, now we got the back side here. Nice fresh pair of pants, a little dirty from my workshop, but as you can see, the difference between the new versus the old, almost no wear. A few little scratches here, but these scratches haven't even torn. There was a little tear here and here, but it hasn't even spread. So very durable material in these pants. As you can see, no wear, no crotch wear. Sometimes the crotches wear out on the work pants, but if you look at the inseam here, there's no wear, just some discoloration. All the triple needle stitch is all together still. All good going down. Nothing on the back side, so we're all good. I'll flip these pants back over to the front. I want to show you this tear here. I had a screw catch the pants and rip it, and I ripped it about 6 months ago. And as you can tell, the pant hole has not spread anywhere beyond the initial tear, and which is very good. Some pants you tear it once, and then over time it just spreads and spreads, and you need a new pair of pants. But now I'll show you the fabric. As you can tell, the fabric got some elasticity to it, which is nice for movement when you're working, because nothing is worse than walking around the job site, hopping over things, and your knees get chafed from the pants not being able to stretch. So these pants are nice and stretchable here, which helps out, especially with the waistband when Christmas time comes around. So next thing is I'm going to turn these pants inside out and show you the inside. All right, so I flipped both pairs of pants inside out. This is the new pair, nice and fresh, as you can tell. I do suggest washing these pants before wearing them, because I didn't, and I wore them, and I was sweating pretty hard that day, and then some of the red ink got on my leg and my boxers I was wearing underneath, but not a big deal. Now, this is the tear from the front face I showed you earlier. As you can see, it hasn't spread anywhere on the inside as well. Nice and durable. Everything is all intact. The button, a little tear on the button, but my own fault. As we go down the leg here, just some dirt in the inside, Velcro, everything seems to be good. Inside the knees, no wear on the inside of the knees. As we come up, everything is nice and good. Coming down to the elastic, coming down, no other tears, no other wears. So all in all, these pants, I would highly recommend getting these for work. Different styles available, different colors. You can get cuffed, uncuffed, black, anything you want. Alrighty, now you've seen the comparison between the old work pants and the new work pants. If you do feel like checking these guys out, go to their website, badworkwear.ca. And these pants retail for about $85, but it's a good $85 that you will not regret, I guarantee you. Nice and durable pants. So if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.